So in this video we will start with how to fix buys. Now we have understood how to divide the number of teams into different halves, how to give buys into different halves. I think it's clear to all of you. Total number of buys divided by total number of teams. Okay, so next is buys, how to place in the fixture. This is very important. Okay, so through this video we'll come to know about this. There is a proper system. So number one, when you make the fixture, the first buy I am using chalk, this one. First buy is given to last team of second half. Okay, when we make the fixture, we will apply all this. Next, second buy. First buy already we have given the last team of second half. Then second buy is given to first team of first half, upper half. Sorry, it's better to write upper half, lower half. Upper half. I'm changing here also. It's not second half, it's lower half. Lower half. Then number 3, third buy is given to now see, first buy given to lower half, second buy we have given to upper half, so third buy will be again giving to lower half. First team of lower half. Then fourth buy is given to last team of upper half. I hope I think I am clear here how to place the buys and all. So we will now make the fixture for 11 teams. We'll place the buys and all. I think then it will be clear to all of you. Okay, now we will make fixture for 11 teams. Okay, number of teams. Number of teams is equal to 11. Okay, so we will do systematically, step by step, and the same steps when you make fixture in your copy, every time you are supposed to follow. Okay, number of teams 11. So next question is that if the number of teams are 11, then okay, so in the last module I have already made the how to divide the team into upper half and lower half. In the n+1, like 6 teams were there in the upper half, and the lower half 5 teams were there. So it's easy. So next is number of buys. How many buys will be given? So number of buys, number of teams as we discussed in the last video, number of teams in upper half in upper half is equal to 6 number of teams in lower half is equal to 5. Then number of buys in upper half already we have discussed. You can go back to last module and you can just check over there. Number of buys in upper half, total how many buys we are giving? We are giving 5 buys. So number of buys in upper half will be 2. Then number of buys in lower half is equal to 3. So total number of buys we are giving 5. And if you remember, I told you, again I repeat, number of buys are always is next minus total number of teams minus next power of 2. Okay, so upper half is clear, number of teams in upper half is clear, lower half is clear, buys are clear. Okay, number of rounds. So next power of total number of team is 16. So it will be 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2, 4, 8, 16. So how many rounds will be there? 4 rounds will be there. 1, 2, 3, 4 rounds will be there. So this part is clear. So I am going to rub this one and then I make the fixture. Okay, so first to make the fixture we will write number of teams, total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So before I make fixture, in case if you do not apply the same all formulas and all, what will be the condition? This also you please check. If we start like total number of teams, if 8, we practiced in the last video, but here it is not possible. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is alone here. Okay, the first 10 teams are playing match, 11 is left alone. How 11 and with whom 11 is going to play? In case if you continue, okay, then also we can see at last. See, winner of 1, 2, winner of 3, 4 is playing, winner of 5, 6, then winner of 7, 8 is playing, winner of 9, 10, then winner of 11 is playing. Okay, then now 3 teams are left out here. So 3 teams, how you play the fixture? Don't you think that fixture will be wrong? So that is why it is not possible making fixture without this kind of formula. So as we said, number of teams in upper half will be how many? N plus 1. So that means 6 teams will be there. So what we do? We write here. We have got the very big scale. So I am using scale. Okay. So this is upper half. We are supposed to write here upper half. Then here we are supposed to write lower half. Okay, so upper half, lower half is clear to all of you. Now we are supposed to place the team over here. So total number of buys, how many are there? There are 5 buys are there. There are 5 buys are there. So now we are going to place the teams first. Those who are getting buys, we are supposed to place them first. Okay, so, and we are supposed to write over there buys number. Okay, the first buy we are giving to last team of lower half. So this is first bye. Second bye we are giving to first team of upper half. Third bye we are giving to first team of lower half. This is third bye. Fourth bye we are giving to last team of upper half. And the same sequence will follow if the number of byes are more. So here we have got 5 byes. So fifth byes will go to number 10 team, second last. Fifth byes. Okay. So in case if there are 6th bye, we will place here, 7th bye we will place here, 8th bye we will place here. This way we keep on placing byes. So as per the formula, there are 3 byes in the lower half, there are 2 byes in the upper half. So now we place the team. The first team got the bye. This is number 2, number 3, number 4. So in the first round, okay, first round what you can see here, 2 and 3 is playing match, 4 and 5 is playing match, 8 and 9 is playing match, and this is what we can see here. If I am using scale for this, it's not. This is first round. This is first round. Second round, because number 1 team got the bye, so number 1 team is playing directly match with the winner of 2 and 3. So here winner of number 4 and 5 team is playing match with winner of number 16 who's got the bye in the first round. Then winner of 8 and 9 is playing match with number 17 who got the bye in the first round, and 10th and 11th team, both the teams got the bye in the first round, so they are not playing first round but they are playing second round directly. So here you write second round. Now for third round, now here these two teams, winner of this match and the winner of this match is playing here, and here the same thing, winner of this match is playing here. This will be like this. This is called third round, and the fourth round is the final round. The winner of upper half and the winner of lower half is playing final match. This is fourth round. So this way easily you can make the fixture. I hope it is clear to all of you. In the next video we will make fixture for 2-3 more number of teams so that it will be easy for you all. Thank you so much.